RAW photos contain much more image data than normal JPEG files, which makes them perfect for professional editing and color grading. In Adobe Lightroom, RAW editing gives you greater control over exposure, highlights, shadows, colors, sharpness, and overall image quality without losing detail. And honestly, learning how to edit RAW photos properly can completely improve your photography workflow. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit RAW photos in Lightroom step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom or Lightroom Classic on your computer. Now import your RAW image files into Lightroom using the Import button. The Develop module contains all the main editing tools used for RAW photo processing. Start by adjusting the overall exposure to balance the brightness of the image. One major advantage of RAW photos is being able to recover lost highlight and shadow details. And that's your full guide on how to edit RAW photos in Lightroom in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to recover details, improve colors, and create more professional quality edits using Adobe Lightroom.